The 2026 GMC Yukon Denali is here, and it's making waves like never before. This full-size SUV has always been a symbol of American luxury and power, but now it's stepped into an entirely new league. Bigger presence, sharper tech, more refined drive. It's clear GMC wanted to make a bold statement, and they've delivered on all fronts. So buckle up as we dive into what makes the 2026 Yukon Denali one of the most commanding and luxurious SUV on the road today. Right off the bat, you can't ignore how the new Yukon Denali looks. The front grille is massive and sculpted, with chrome accents that catch the light just right, giving off an aura of confidence. The LED headlamps are sharper and more futuristic, and the redesigned bumper gives the whole front end a wider, lower stance. GMC didn't just make the Yukon Denali look better, they made it look bolder, more intimidating, and more elegant all at once. Walk around the vehicle, and the 22-inch wheels make their own statement. The profile is muscular, with just enough sleekness to remind you that this isn't just about brute strength, it's about refined power. The rear tail lamps get a more modern design as well, creating a cohesive visual from front to back. Inside, the Yukon Denali is more luxurious than ever. GMC has focused on delivering a premium experience that can rival even the most well-established luxury brands. Open the door, and you're greeted by real wood trim, aluminum accents, and soft, touch leather surfaces that scream class. The seats are plush, supportive, and heated and ventilated in both the front and second rows. Even the third row passengers aren't treated like afterthoughts, thanks to more legroom and easier access. The layout is smart and elegant. The center console features a massive 16.9-inch touchscreen that runs GMC latest infotainment software. It's fast, intuitive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Voice control is now smarter, and the onboard Google Assistant integration makes navigating, texting, or changing music as simple as saying the word. For the driver, the 2026 Yukon Denali brings a fully digital 11-inch driver display that can be customized to show everything from navigation to performance metrics. But what really elevates the driving experience is the inclusion of Super Cruise, GMC hands-free driving technology. It now covers even more roads and includes automatic lane changes, making long-distance driving feel futuristic and stress-free. Powering the Yukon Denali is a beast of a V8 engine, 6.2 liters to be exact, delivering over 420 horsepower and enough torque to move this 3.0 luxury liner with ease. The 10-speed automatic transmission shifts smoothly, giving you the right power at the right time. There's also a new hybrid assisted option for those who want better fuel economy without sacrificing performance. The ride itself has improved significantly thanks to the adaptive air ride suspension. Whether you're gliding down the highway or navigating rough back roads, the Yukon Denali feels composed, stable, and almost limo-like in comfort. GMC has done a stellar job isolating road noise while keeping the engine note satisfyingly rich when you press the pedal. Towing capacity remains one of its key strengths. With properly equipped models, you're looking at over 8,000 pounds of towing capability, which is ideal for trailers, boats, or anything else your weekend adventures require. Combine that with advanced trailer tech like hitch guidance and trailer sway control, and you have a luxury SUV that works hard when it needs to. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. GMC has loaded the 2026 Yukon Denali with their Pro Safety Plus suite. That includes automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, pedestrian detection, and a new enhanced rear-view camera system. There's also a head-up display that projects key driving info directly onto the windshield, so you can keep your eyes on the road while staying informed. For families, the Yukon is more than just a comfortable ride, it's a secure one. Cargo space is another strong suit. With all rows in place, you still get a generous trunk. Fold the third row and second row flat, and you're looking at a cavernous space perfect for big Costco runs, cross-country road trips, or hauling gear for your next camping adventure. The power folding feature makes it effortless, and the flat load floor is super practical. Another aspect where the Yukon Denali shines is its premium audio. GMC has partnered with Bose to deliver an 18-speaker surround sound system that's tailored to the cabin. Whether you're listening to music, podcasts, or taking calls, the clarity and depth are exceptional. Combine that with the improved noise insulation, and you're essentially driving inside a luxury concert hall. Fuel economy sees a minor improvement over previous years, particularly with the hybrid assisted variant. You can expect around 15 to 17 miles per gallon in the city and up to 20 on the highway, which is respectable for a vehicle this size and power. GMC has clearly tried to strike a balance between performance and efficiency, and it shows. Customization is another highlight. Buyers can choose from a range of exterior colors, interior trims, wheel designs, and technology packages. There's even a Denali Ultimate trim that takes things a step further with premium leather, massage seats, open, pour wood, and a panoramic sunroof that floods the cabin with light. It turns an already luxury SUV into something truly extraordinary. The 2026 GMC Yukon Denali doesn't just carry people, it carries presence. It's bold enough to turn heads at valet stands, refined enough to make executives feel at home, and powerful enough to handle rugged adventures or heavy hauls without breaking a sweat. It's not just an SUV, it's a rolling statement that says you want it all: style, strength, and sophistication. Whether you're upgrading from an older Yukon or stepping into the GMC world for the first time, the 2026 Denali represents the peak of what the brand has to offer. It's spacious, smart, safe, and above all, stylish in a way that few other SUV in this segment can match. GMC has evolved the Yukon Denali from a capable full-size SUV into a luxury flagship that feels as comfortable at a mountain lodge as it does outside a five-star hotel. For anyone looking to blend rugged performance with cutting-edge tech and first-class comfort, the 2026 Yukon Denali delivers without compromise.